Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free.
E por aqui já temos banheiro limpíssimo. Olha só, gente. Tudo limpinho, coloquei toalha limpa. Ali na prateleira resolvi agora colocar alguns produtinhos, né? Que eu uso à noite, que é creme para as mãos, esfoliante de rosto, um body splash, um desodorante, que ali ficava o papel higiênico, né? Mas aí eu resolvi colocar esses produtinhos e coloquei os tapetes novos, gente. Olha só como ficou perfeito. Eu amei demais. Uma delícia, gente. Bem fofinho, gostoso de pisar. Muito bom. Aí eu acabei colocando os dois aqui no banheiro do quarto, que é o banheiro que a gente mais usa, né, gente? O outro a gente quase nem usa, mas aí quando vem visita, eu decoro direitinho o banheiro e tudo. Ele sempre tá arrumadinho, né, gente? Limpinho. Mas a gente quase não usa ele. Aí, como a gente usa mais esse, ó, aí eu coloquei um aqui na pia e um ali pra quando sair do banho, né, pisar. Mas é isso, gente. Amei. O banheiro tá limpinho, cheiroso. E é isso. Amei. Gente, agora eu vou vir aqui pra essa geladeira pra limpar tudo, organizar. Tá super vazia, não tem mais nada. Porque nós vamos fazer a compra do mês. Então eu já vou limpar, deixar tudo limpinho e organizado. Pra quando a gente chegar do mercado, só guardar as coisas que já adianta tudo, né? Aí olha só. O freezer tá bem sujinho e tá bem vazio, gente. Mas como eu falei, né? Nós vamos fazer as compras. E aí eu já vou aproveitar pra limpar e já deixar tudo organizado. E a parte de baixo tá assim, ó. Bem sujinha também. Bastante coisa. Precisamos dar uma limpada, uma organizada. Então vamos limpar tudinho.
I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop. got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters, it's my heart that obeys.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? And slowly exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn off alone, I breathe in, embrace it on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure. Lessons after lessons, had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song. No, I'm not only one solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open I gave and 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 I. And if I'm better off alone, I breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, I breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own. I've had my heart broken, crushed, yet I survived it. Refresh love, I've been reminded that it's all about alignment. Most people break up, most people break up. But either way, bro, that's what you make up. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, I'll breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone.
Gente, agora sim, ó, tudo limpíssimo. Olha só. Vocês viram? Quando eu esfreguei com a esponja, saiu água preta. Isso porque eu tô sempre limpando a geladeira na parte de cima, né? Quando eu limpo por dentro, também limpo por fora. Mas saiu muito sujo, tava muito empoeirado. Mas agora sim, ó, tudo limpíssimo. Gente, por aqui, ó, tudo limpinho. Limpei tudo, como vocês viram. Tirei o paninho, né, que já tava bem sujo. Mas limpei tudinho. E agora sim, ó, tudo limpinho, graças a Deus, pronto pra receber as coisas, né, que vamos comprar no mercado. E por aqui também, ó, tudo limpinho. Graças a Deus. Bem em cima, gente. Como vocês viram, ó, tudo limpinho. E limpei dos lados também, olha só. Bem limpinha. Tudo limpinho. Limpei tudo por dentro, por fora. Tudo limpinho. Gente, e aqui no armário, ó, eu nem vou limpar, porque ele já tá limpinho. Que eu limpei esses dias. E aí acabou que nem sujou, ó, tá limpinho, tá bem vazio. Mas logo, logo já tá cheio, né? Mas é isso, ó. O armário já tá todo limpinho.